Hello friends, I, Surbhi Mathur, working as an assistant professor in Biyani Institute of Science and Management, welcome you all on the behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic Performance Management. This topic is related to the subject Performance Management and Retention Strategies. Before going forward, I would like to tell about the meaning of performance management. Every organization expects individual to perform, and as per a common layman, we reiterate or we generate the meaning from the word performance means doing something. So when an individual is performing, when an individual is putting the efforts, he or she is performing. But if we specific to the performance management, that means how the organization manages the performance of its employees. So performance management means planning, setting the expectations in the front of employees and getting a review whether the individual is performing as per the expectations. So performance management is a wider concept that comprises performance appraisal. Now there are certain components that should individual keep in mind, or if an organization needs to design performance management system, then these are the issues that organization might creep up. First point is meaning of performance. As I have said earlier, performance is the efforts. But here, performance is not only the work that an individual is doing. It also means the knowledge and the skills individual is putting in his work. It also means the right behavior that an individual is showing. By showing the respect towards the people, by showing a cooperativeness attitude, by showing the attitude of a good team player. Second is upholding the values. Every organization has its mission, vision and some values. If we live the values for the organization should definitely think about us. So here upholding the values means how as an individual we are living the values of an organization. If an organization wants to live ethically, if an organization concerned for the quality, that as an individual how much I am contributing. There is a very recent example of the ITC. ITC is a very famous company that plays a very important project in the terms of e-Chopal. E-Chopal is basically a project where ITC give the internet access to the villagers. So this would allow the villagers to get access to the internet. They come to know about the recent methodologies, they come to know about the recent techniques. Farmers come to know about the pesticides and the fertilizers. So in this way ITC prove itself to act ethically. Moreover, companies are now promoting the slogan of Go Green. That is also upholding the value example. Next is alignment. Now alignment means putting a straight line. Here we are meaning alignment, individual and organizational goals. Individual should be stick towards the goal of the organization. Suppose my organization goal is to improve the company image. Now being an individual, I cannot survive or I cannot fulfill alone. I need the help of each and every individual in my organization. If I am acting as a director, then I would require the people from the different department to support with this objective. So that means with the alignment of the objective, individual, how much creating a value for the organizational goals. Next is managing the expectations. As we have discussed earlier, performance management is planning for the performance and setting the expectations in the front of the individual what they need to do. So managing the expectations means individual is clear what he or she needs to do, how he or she will be performing, and what all are the things he can use to get excel. And the last is discretionary behavior. Now discretionary behavior, it means productive behavior. If I am working in any organization, that organization can rely on me if only I am giving a result. Result in the terms of number of output I am producing, or result in the terms of anything that can be countable. So here the discretionary means how much effort individual is giving, and that effort how much help in converting into the results. So it is also comprised the care individual is shown towards the organization. That's all about this topic. Thank you and thank you for watching this video, and for further details kindly visit to our website www.gurukpyo.com.